Good morning, students of standard 12. Today we are going to study topic genetic engineering from chapter 11, biotechnology, principles and processes. Genetic engineering, it is a process in which the desired gene is transferred to the plasmid of a specific bacteria so that many copies of the desired protein or gene can be obtained. So students, genetic engineering actually is a specific process in which many copies of the desired gene can be obtained by transferring the desired gene in the plasmid of a specific bacteria. So students, plasmid actually is the extra chromosomal material of a bacteria. Genetic engineering comprises of following processes: recombinant DNA technology, cloning vector, and gene transfer. Recombinant DNA technology, it is a process in which, with the help of specific enzymes, DNA is being cut at specific locations to obtain desired gene and further is incorporated with DNA probe. So students, recombinant DNA technology actually is a specific process in which, with the help of specific enzymes like restriction endonuclease, the DNA is being cut at specific locations so that the desired gene can be obtained and further can be incorporated with the DNA probe. So students, let's understand the concept of recombinant DNA technology with the help of this picture. Students, here we can notice that a specific gene has been obtained from a particular bacteria and which needs to be incorporated into the plasmid of a bacteria. So students, here we can easily notice in this picture that the specific gene has been added in the plasmid of the bacteria. So students, the circle which you can see here, that's the plasmid, that is the extra chromosomal material, and the little tiny structure which you can see here, that's the specific desired gene which has been inserted into the plasmid of the bacteria and further it has been introduced inside the bacteria and further finally has been cultured to obtain the multiple copies of the DNA where it is finally incorporated with the DNA probe. Cloning vector, this is a particular carrier of the desired gene to the bacteria to make multiple copies of desired gene. So students, cloning vector actually is a particular carrier of the desired gene which has to be inserted into the bacteria so that the bacteria can use it as its own machinery and can further make multiple copies of the desired gene. Students, here if you concentrate, in this picture, then you will be able to notice that there are presence of specific locations of the genes which are resistant to the antibiotic, like ampicillin resistance, tetracycline resistance, ORI gene, which is the origin of replication gene, and moreover the ECO-RI gene, HIND3, where HIND3 represents the Haemophilus bacteria. Gene transfer. It is a process in which the desired gene is transferred in the bacteria for making multiple copies. Ballistic and micro injections are used for it. So students, gene transfer actually is a specific process in which the desired gene, which is required to synthesize a particular protein, is transferred into the bacteria for making multiple copies. So students, it's very difficult to transfer the particular gene into the bacteria. So there are certain methods by which the gene can be conveniently transferred in the bacteria, so that further it can be multiplied into many copies. So some of the methods are use of ballistics and micro injection. So students, ballistics are actually the processes in which the specific genes are coated on the tungsten materials and further bombarded at a very high intensity, so that further it enters into the plant cell and its nucleus. Whereas micro injection is being used for animals, where with the help of micro injection the specific gene with the particular DNA is injected into the nucleus of the host cell, so that the desired gene enters into the nucleus of the host cell and further its multiple copies can be formed. So students, we can understand the concept of microinjection which generally takes place in the animal with the help of this picture, where the microinjection, as you can notice here, is being injected into the cell, particularly inside the nucleus, which is incorporated with the foreign DNA. So students, in this way the DNA from outside enters inside the nucleus of the cell, so that its multiple copies can be made. So students, this process is called as the micro injection process. Students, now let's discuss a very important question. What are various processes of genetic engineering? Genetic engineering comprises of following processes: recombinant DNA technology, cloning vector, and gene transfer. So students, genetic engineering was one of the most important technology in which we can multiply the specific genes into huge number. Thank you, students.